Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this swallow within just 3 minutes. So all you need is your oat flour. You add it into a plate. I'm using the same measurement of oat flour to water measurement. And this same goes with semolina or eba. So I will add the water, 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of water. Mix and combine everything together till you can't see any lump. If you love very soft swallow, use 1.5 cups of water. But if you prefer or you love normal consistency, then use 1 cup of water to 1 cup of your oat flour. After stirring it very well, you pop it into your microwave just like so. Then you set your microwave to 3 minutes. This has been my savior. Anytime I come back from work, I will just make it 3 minutes. My food is ready. Then when my husband comes back, if I don't have time to be turning swallow inside a pot, then I just make this. Once it's 3 minutes, bring it out, stir everything together. As you can see, the consistency is given. Then you can serve it like this, but because I'm not eating it now, I'll be putting it in a nylon. I will tie it and allow it to cool down before putting it in the fridge to store it till whenever I want to eat it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will try it out. Bye and see you in my next one. Ciao.